The guy literally behind you shot in the shot.
There's a guy that like literally beat me there, I think. No, I think I'm
Yeah,
beating
he's.
you. No, I beat you.
I'm letting balcony. Unless this game fucks me.
Went heal up fast. One guy on me, shot.